Alright, let's talk about something that sounds like a sci-fi movie but is 100% real. A guy driving a hydrogen-powered car at over 400 miles per hour. Wait, what? Hydrogen? That's not a typo. This week, British driver Andy Green, yes, the same guy who broke the sound barrier in a car back in 1997, just smashed the world record for hydrogen-powered vehicles. And honestly, this isn't just about speed. It's a wild statement about the future of energy, and I think it's way more important than most people realize. Let me explain why. First, let's zoom out. Andy Green isn't some random speed demon. He's a legend. The guy drove a jet-powered car to 763 miles per hour in the 90s, which, by the way, is faster than a jet takes off. So when he does something, the automotive world pays attention. Now, at 64, he's back in Utah's Bonneville salt flats, the holy grail of land speed records, driving a car built by JCB, a company best known for bulldozers and excavators. That alone raises questions. Why would a construction equipment company fund a hydrogen supercar? And why hydrogen, which has been stuck in promising but not quite there limbo for decades? Okay, the numbers: 406 miles per hour using 2 hydrogen engines. That's not just a record, it's a flex. Hydrogen internal combustion engines aren't new, but scaling them to 1,600 horsepower? That's bonkers. JCB basically took engines from their heavy machinery, ripped out the diesel guts, and shoved in hydrogen tech. And here's where the commentary kicks in. This isn't a gimmick. Heavy machinery and long-haul trucks can't just go electric overnight. Batteries are heavy, charging infrastructure is a nightmare, and hydrogen's energy density starts looking like the only viable option. In my opinion, JCB isn't just racing, they're sending a message to the entire industrial sector. Hydrogen isn't just for lab experiments anymore. But wait, let's address the elephant in the room. Hydrogen's reputation as a clean fuel is complicated. Most hydrogen today is made from natural gas, which is basically fossil fuels in a lab coat. But JCB's using green hydrogen, powered by renewables. Now, green hydrogen is less than 1% of global production. So why does this matter? Because when a company this big invests in green hydrogen, it's not just about one record run. It's about forcing the industry to scale up. If JCB can make it work in a 400 miles per hour monster truck, suddenly mining companies or shipping giants might start paying attention. That's the domino effect here. And let's not forget the Bonneville salt flats. This place is a time capsule of speed history. From the 1910s to today, it's where records go to die, or be reborn. The fact that Green's diesel record fell to hydrogen here? That's poetic. He's not just chasing numbers. He's rewriting the narrative. But here's the twist. 406 miles per hour is fast. But it's not even close to his own sound barrier record. So why does this feel bigger? Because it's not about personal glory. It's about proving hydrogen can handle extreme power. If you take a step back, this is a Trojan horse for clean energy. The automotive world respects speed. If hydrogen can win there, maybe the rest of us will start seeing it in forklifts, buses, maybe even planes. One thing that fascinates me is how Green's career mirrors the evolution of power sources. From jet fuel to diesel to hydrogen, he's been a human experiment in what's possible. And here's the kicker. This record isn't about breaking barriers in the traditional sense. It's about breaking perceptions. The clean energy transition isn't going to be electric cars and solar panels only. It's going to need weird, loud, over-the-top stunts like this. Because let's face it, people don't care about green hydrogen until it's powering something that outruns a diesel missile. So what do you think? Is hydrogen finally ready to step out of the shadows? Or is this just another flash in the pan? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your take on the future of speed and the fuel behind it.